G is equal to 1, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 3, comma 4, 5, 4, comma 7. A function from A is equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 to D is equals to 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7. If this is given by the formula g of x is equal to ax plus b, then find A and B. Given g of x is equals to ax plus b. G of x is equals to ax plus b. Here 1, comma 1, 2, comma 3. Take 1, comma 1 and 2, comma 3. For 1, comma 1, 2, comma 3. That implies this is x value and y value. X equal to 1, y is equal to 1. G of x is equals to y. So substitute y value in g of x. 1 is equals to a into 1 into b. That is equals to a plus b. A plus b is equals to 1. This is first equation. Now substitute x equal to 2, y equals to 3. 3 is equals to a into 2 plus b is equals to 2a plus b is equals to 3. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, a plus b is equals to 1 is first equation. 2a plus b is equals to 3, second equation. Now take minus here. 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. B minus b is cancelled. A minus 2a is equals to minus a. Minus minus cancel. A is equals to 2. This value substitute in equation 1. A equal to 2. Substitute in equation 1. A plus b is equals to 1. A is equals to 2 plus b is equals to 1. B is equals to 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 1. The values of A and B